Hi guys, we're looking at my conservatory door. When we get hot weather we have trouble because it doesn't open and close properly, it jams on the bottom there. So I now adjust the hinges. Right, we're outside now. Got 3 hinges. 1, 2, 3. I've already taken the little plastic covers off 2 of them. I'll see if I can just demonstrate on this one. If you've got long enough nails, you can just work them out. Yeah, just like that. And just sort of turn and pop out. And then in the middle there, there's a hexagonal adjuster that you can screw it in and out. You can probably see, if you look at the gap here, turn it that way, gap gets smaller, turn it that way, gap gets bigger. So what I need to do is adjust it so, let's zoom out again. I need to adjust it so the bottom goes that way a bit to lift that end of it up. So I can pull the top one back and push the bottom one out. It's out a bit. Oh, that's loosened it straight away. That's probably all I needed to do then, just that little turn. Just rubbing a little bit. And I'll do the top one. The other way. Yeah, that's swinging freely now. What it is, it's because it's all plastic, and when the sun gets to it in the summer, the whole thing distorts, which is rubbish, really. But that's what I've got to live with because I've paid lots of money for this. Just put the cover back over. Go. So there we are, done. Might have to readjust it when it all cools down again. Not every day, but sort of at the end of the year, because it'll probably rub at the top or something then. When the framework all heats up or cools down and stretches the other way. But that'll do for now.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.